So you come to Microsoft websites and you click download and you scroll down. So there are various versions you can download. But in our case, we'll be using the SQL developer, as you can see here, developer edition. So you can click that. Once you click, it will start you run this. And once this is done, you can go to your folder and just start it. Start running. Yeah, start running and executing. You understand what I'm saying? So we want custom, so that you can select what we want. Then you click next. You click install. You get it. Yeah.
Your what is downloaded. That's what we did. If you choose custom, I only want us to select just these three things. SQL Server Setup Download Installation Package will go on. That's what's happening now. Then once you get to that SQL Server Setup Download Installer Package, when it gets there, then we'll now choose only three things: database engine service, then full text and semantic extraction, then SQL Server replication. These are the three things you will choose. Then we'll move to the next phase. Do you understand? This SQL Server Management Studio, that's for short. We want to install it. It's installed differently. So but just install, but don't click. So click now. Click there. Now click. Yes, click here. Click the next link. Okay, scroll down. Yeah, that's it. Download. Yeah, that's it. Click that.
I should click on this one.
Yeah, is that it? Wait, move up. Is there another?
Okay.
Okay, this is what I was waiting for. So now, go to installation. As in click installation.
This one?
Yes. Now, it's a new SQL Server standalone, right? You are starting a new one. So click that first one. First one.
New SQL Server standalone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's okay. What is it saying there?
Edition. Select the edition of SQL Server 2022 you want to install.
Good. Developer. Good. That's what we want. So click next. Leave it as developer. Remember the same developer. So leave it. The free.
Okay, developer. Next. You must accept.
Yeah, accept. Okay. Next. Let's read that. I'm not saying it too, but that's why I'm wearing glasses.
Microsoft.
What I'm saying, use the checkbox.
Okay, this one. Use Microsoft updates. We check for updates. Recommended.
I want to select it.
Use Microsoft updates to check for updates.
I think that I want to use it to check for updates. Okay.
You want me to check it?
Yeah, you can check it. That means it will be updating. Don't mind.
Okay.
Next. Brilliant. This is it. Same thing. Yeah. Tell me about no problem. You have everything. What did they say?
Yeah, this one says Windows Firewall.
Yeah, it's okay. Everything passed. It's okay. Click next. Okay, hold on here. No, unselect the
Azure extension for SQL Server.
Yes, unselect. Yes. Then what else? Let me read the other options. Yeah.
Use Azure login. Since this one is not clicked.
Yeah, good.
So this one will not function.
You know this one is on the cloud. We are not trying to do anything on the cloud.
Of course.
Do it on your system here. So that's why you select it. Next. Hold on here. Yeah, this is what I was saying. Three things you should select here. Database engine, select database engine. SQL application, something SQL, that first one. No, not down.
This one?
Yes. Then you add
this one?
Yes.
This one. Sorry, excuse me.
Yeah.
SQL Server application.
Yes, please select it.
Okay.
Then one more feature you should select is this full text and semantic extraction.
Full text and semantic extractions for search.
That's all. That's all. Just leave it. That's okay. All. So click next. What is it?
Default instance.
It's okay if you don't have any other SQL installed on the system before. So let's leave it on default instance.
Name the instance.
Yes.
Instance ID.
Yes. Just click next.
Okay.
Click next.
Thanks.
Okay. What is here? Click this. Yes. Now you have Windows authentication. Then you have missed mode. Now Windows authentication means that once you can log into the Windows, you can actually just log into the SQL. But missed authentication is both window authentication and you can create a user and you can create a login for your SA, system administrator. For short, on SQL they put SA. You understand? SA. You see it there. Then you see the SA account. So select that second one.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't just follow my instruction here. Select this.
Mix mode.
Yes. Select mix mode. I know I want to select. Wait first. Then add current user. That is this. Once you can log in, that will take care of your Windows authentication. Click add current user under there. Add current user under. Yes. Click it. Good. Once you can log in, you can use it in Windows form. Now let's add password. Please, this password they are adding is for your SA account. Hold on, please. There are two ways that you would have said to create the user access, right? The first one is Windows authentication. If you choose Windows authentication, you won't have any password. Once you can log into the window, you can log into the SQL. But mixed mode is the two together. That's why I added current user. Current user is taking care of the Windows authentication. So click next. So that's it. That's everything. So install now. So while this is going on, let's go and download the third one. Down. You understand? That is AdventureWorks. That is like, I told you that Microsoft will be they make it, they even wrote it there. It's for practice. You understand? The AdventureWorks sample database, just for you to be able to practice and make things. You understand? So let's go down. There are various versions, but we are going to download the OLTP one. Stop. So we are downloading this first version, OLTP. OLTP. That first one.
Okay.
The first one under. Just click it.
Online transaction processing.
Yes.
The first one.
Yes.
Is it this one?
Yes. Wait. Click it, please. Yeah. So it's downloaded. We'll use it later. So let's go back to what we were doing. Let's see what we were doing. Go back to the installation.
I should click on this.
No, I didn't say click. There's something we're already installing now. Let's go back to that installation. Yes. Installation now. Yes. Yeah, this is what I want. So we can monitor the progress. Okay, while this is going on, let me share my screen. Please don't click anything. Just don't do anything. Just for my instruction. Okay. So let me stop sharing. Let me quickly walk you through what we've done so far. Stop sharing.
Okay.
So this is your email that I sent. So far, what me and you have done now, we selected database engine, footer, semantic, SQL Server application. It's installing now. Proceed through the wizard, the instance configuration, done all this, choose the instance, accept defaults. But when I did, I didn't use defaults because I had another SQL, so I had to change the name. You understand? Then database engine configuration, choose mixed mode authentication, SQL plus Windows authentication. That's the mixed mode we chose just now. Set a strong SA system admin password, which you have done, right? The username is SA. Then you have created a password for it. Then there's also Windows authentication. Once you can log in, then it will work. Then add yourself as SQL Server administrator if you want, but you didn't do this, you missed this out, but it's okay. Guys, if you wanted to add another user, you would have added another user, create a user for somebody. At that point, you would have clicked the other second. When there was add current user, there's also add user. You would have created an add user, another user, then click the person password. Since you can do that anytime you want to install it.
Okay.
Click install, wait for completion. That's where we are now, right? Then you click install and wait for completion, right? Now, instance install SQL Server
Management Studio.
That's the next thing once that installation completes. So I said you will download from this place, which we have downloaded, run the install, follow the prompt, say straightforward, next feature. Once installed, open the SSMS, the SQL Server Management Studio, connect to your server instance. Usually located this. I'll walk you through how to play this. Brilliant. What did you show? Everything successful, no failure. Read what you wrote here.
Yeah, it says success, succeeded. Install successful. Summary log file has been saved to the following location.
Installation completed successfully. And product up.
Yeah.
So close it. Just click close.